Let me see you want me, baby. Let me see.
What did he say?
What is up, Amulettes? It's me, I'm Jane TV. Yeah, it's a week. It's nearly the weekend. Today is Thursday, so it's a good Thursday. I know I usually don't do reactions lately, mainly because I have been busy. But yes, I do have a list of K-pop reactions. I'm planning to have a second channel, but I'm not really sure what to do with it. I was thinking about if I can do gameplays with it, but obviously at a time like this, I don't have a proper computer, like a gaming computer, but I'm not planning to buy one at the moment, mainly because I don't have a studio, you know, like a professional computer studio to play games. I don't have a PlayStation 5, nor do I have a PlayStation 4 or Nintendo Switch, so it's going to be hard for me to actually get into the gaming. But the channel, I think when I reach to 80 something of subscribers, thank you for the 90 subscribers, guys. I did not expect to reach the 90 at least subscribers. I mean, yeah, for those who was, oh, that's so little, but this is just the beginning of my channel. Well, it's not even just the beginning. It's been a long process because I lost subscribers, I gain subscribers, and I lose them back down. It's like it's like people can't decide when it comes to me. So it's fine. It's fine. I mean, I'm not everyone's taste, but I'm most likely, and it's shocking that I made a another YouTube channel for my rabbits. Well, I'm shocked that no one looks at them. Well, they look at them, but they're not subscribed to them. Okay, well, anyways, we're going to do a reaction video on Kangta. So I know Kangta. He's not new. He's been in K-pop. Woo! Just as long as Boa. He's been the same time as Boa. Slightly older, but he's been at the same time as Boa. But Boa's been there like over 30 years. No, not that long. I mean, she's 34, right? Okay, so she's not that old. But she's been over 20 years in the K-pop industry as well. So he's been there for a while. He's been there for a while now. He works for, he still is signed with SM Entertainment. And this is the first time that he has done something of himself for the longest time. Anyways, we're going to do Kangta Cough Syrup. Nice, interesting. I had a cough. Well, it was a COVID-19 cough. I had to drink syrup, so this is a very good message for those who have a cough. So yeah, buckle up, guys. So we're going to do Kangta Cough Syrup. Cough syrup, nice. Cough syrup. Oh, he's aging like wine. He hasn't changed. I have seen one of his videos before. I'm sorry. I choked on my drink. Oh, that dark skin with her afro she looks amazing. She looks very pretty as well. Oh, beautiful people. He looks good. I mean, at the age, how old is he again? He's like nearly 40, and he is looking. He hasn't aged not even a second that he's been.
평소처럼 널 떠올리며 상상해 처음엔 보이지 않았지만 내 맘에 쌓이는 먼지로 재야 보인 너의 흔적은 날 병들게 해 날 칠 수
it me that's actually the fat one? Are you saying I'm fat? After all these years, he's still got that beautiful voice of his. I want to see more of Kangta, because I know this is like the second song that he has released, who knows how long. And I really hope that this can help him to make more music, because he does have so much talent, but it's like SM's not actually investing in his talent. Like, dude. After all these years, I'm just in shock how amazing it looks. All these models, the only person that's standing out like in her own beauty is actually the girl with the afro. She looks very pretty. She's actually, and her hair looks just wow. I just look at her just like wow. And you could tell, like, having an afro is high maintenance, because I got a friend, he's Jamaican, and he actually is growing out not just, well, the beard I'm not a fan of, but his afro I'm a fan of. It's just vroom. But he says it's very hard because it's not easy to maintain it. Like, he always wanted to have it all rounded, but sometimes it's always one bit, just like shorten the rest, just like all vroom. Well, that was like nah. But her hair is just wow, it's beautiful. So that was Cough Syrup by Kangta. Yeah. There's someone that says, yeah, please watch this several times. Let's do this for SM's first senior, the only first male first gen idol in that company. That is true. He is, and he's still always going to be that first generation male, not the female, male singers that has been in SM Entertainment. There's a comment, interesting. People who said his voice sounds like Baekhyun, while actual Baekhyun sounds like senior Kangta. This type of voice is very SM style. So that is one of the main reasons SM picked Baekhyun to debut. Ah, interesting. Because he has the SM sound, nice. Wow, someone has realised that he or she's been sleeping on Kangta for a long time. But you know what, it's good to see Kangta. Like, I want to see more Kangta's music. Because as much as I love Boa, EXO, Red Velvet, now we got, oh shoot. Oh no! aespa, oh my god, I actually blanked out. FX, Girls' Generation, Super Junior, Shiny, and NCT. You always have to give the props to the real one, he's been to Kangta. I mean, Kangta has been for a long time, but he only released his 2 solos. This is like his 2nd solo that he has ever released that I have seen so far in the history of SM, of music. And I only saw one, and this was like years ago. And now I see this one, I was like, dude, where have this man been? Like, it's been a minute. But I'm glad he's back. Oh yeah, there's TVXQ. I forgot about TVXQ in the list of rest of the SM people. I mean, they're all popular and everything, but Kangta hasn't been. I don't know. I just feel that SM is not doing justice for Kangta, because Kangta is very talented. The man, you heard his voice. He's just got a very soothing voice, and people, like they say, it sounds similar to Baekhyun, because obviously that was the whole point they then picked Baekhyun for EXO, because he sounds a little bit like Kangta. So, and Kangta has the SM sound, and And it's good to see him. It's good to see him. That's all I can say. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. It's very good to see him. I just really wish that SM could produce more for Kangta, and Kangta can make more music instead of being in the dark for so long as if he was part of YG. But anyways, that's just my opinion. I don't know about you guys. I hope you feel the same way as I do. I just feel that SM is not doing any justice for Kangta. He's just been put in the dark for so long. I just want to see more of him because I know he can. He could unleash the dragon. I mean, if you see the rest of SM artists, they always release their own amazing music. You've seen it. You've seen all of them keep releasing music of the hit, of the hit, of the hit. But when it comes to Kangta, Kanta's just... This is his second song. I don't know if it's just me. But if I'm wrong, I know he was in a group, but that also was short-lived as well. But I want you guys to say or comment down below if I'm wrong, if he has released more music that I didn't know about. Please comment down below, because probably I haven't been, like, obviously in K-pop like 24/7, because I do have a life outside of this, and I do have a life, like, you know, like studies and stuff, like home. I have to take care of my banos and my turtle and my fish and my mom. So it's yeah. Life has things to do outside, you know. Everyone has to do things. That's all I want to say. I just hope that everything goes well. Woo! Anyways, I love you all. I give this a 10 out of 10. I love you all, and you and everyone, and 사랑해요.
What I wanna be 멋짐 내 맘대로 걸어 kick it. I see that I might see